Dear students, we are handling the topic integration, that to indefinite integration. Exercise 6b is going on. Exercise 6b. Roman number 2 sums are going on according to our schedule. Yesterday we have completed 16 questions. Now let us discuss 17, 23, 25, 26, 32. 32 is different model. 33, 36, 37, 39, 41. Roman number 2, 17th question, 2 marks IMP question. Integral cosecant square x dx. Integral cosecant square x dx को a plus b cot x whole power 5. A plus b cot x whole power 5. Let denominator term as d. Put denominator term a plus b cot x is equal to d. So diff both sides. A derivative 0, b into cot x derivative minus cosecant square x. b into minus cosecant square x dx is equal to dt. That implies cosecant square x dx is equal to minus 1 by d dt. So this is 1. 1 becomes minus 1 by v integral dt by d power 5. So that is equal to minus 1 by v t power integral d power minus 5 dt. That can be written as minus 1 by v t power minus 4 by minus 4 plus 3, because x power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 concept. That is equal to, you write here 1 by 4b into 1 by t power 4 plus c. That is equal to 1 by 4b into 1 by, instead of t we can write a plus b cot x whole power 5. A plus b cot x whole power 4 plus c. 23rd question. Daddy will come after 5 minutes. Wait. 23rd question. Cos root x by root x. Integral cos root x by root x. Cos root x by root x dx. Put root x is equal to t. Diff both sides. The derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x dx equal to dt. So you write here dx by root x is equal to 2 dt. That implies integral, instead of dx we can write 2. So 2 right outside, 2 into integral of cos t dt, cos t integration sin t plus c. That is equal to 2 into sin root x plus c. Now 25th question. A power integral, this is also a MP question. Integral a into x power n minus 1. IMP 2 marks. Integral a into x power n minus 1 by bx power n plus c dx. Now put denominator function as t. b into x power n plus c is equal to t. Differentiating both sides. b into the derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1 into dx is equal to dt. That implies x power n minus 1 dx can be written as 1 by bn into dt. That implies given integration 1 becomes a by bn, because a outside you can write a by bn into this is dt by t. So dt by t meaning 1 by t integral t 1 by t function 1 by t integration log t plus c, that is equal to a by bn. A by bn into log modulus of denominator function bx power n plus c. Whenever c is there, then you can write here k, constant k. Twenty-sixth one, that is also MV2 marks. Twenty-sixth question, the same question we faced in derivative concept. 1 by x into log x into log x. 1 by x into log x into log x dx. Put this one as a t. Put the function log x is equal to t. Log of log x equal to t, then differentiating both sides. You can write 1 by log x derivative 1 by x. So it is 1 by log x, and the internal derivative of log x is 1 by x. Total dx equal to dt. Now you can understand this one by x log x. This total function becoming as dt. So you can write dt by t. It is nothing but log d, log modulus of t plus c. That is equal to log of modulus of log x. Log x. Now 32nd question. Integral x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 3. To face such questions, x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1. We should divide with x square to numerator and denominator. That is the process. Divide by x square to numerator comma denominator. Divide by x square to numerator and denominator. That is equal to integral for each and every step. For each and every term I am writing by x square. X square by x square plus 1 by x square. X power 4 by x square plus 1 by x square total dx. You can write here this is 1 by 1 plus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 by x square. This is somewhat different question in integration exercise 16. X square plus 1 by x square. Now put x minus 1 by x is equal to t. Diff both sides. Differentiating both sides. X derivative 1 minus 1 by x derivative 1 by x square is equal to t. So to get the numerator derivative, numerator is the derivative of not denominator function. Simply we are converting the functions. If you are facing here 1 minus 1 by x square, then you should put here x plus 1 by x equal to t. Now you can write squaring both sides. By squaring both sides, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2x into 1 by x is equal to t square. This x and x get cancelled, so x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t square plus 2. Minus 2 then taken that side, it becomes t square plus 2. now you can write this one 1. 1 becomes integral 1 by 1 plus x square can be understood as dt by x square plus 1 by x square became as a t square plus 2. That t square plus 2 I am writing as t square plus root 2 whole square. 1 by a square plus x square concept, the first standard integration formula 1 by a tan inverse x by a 1 by root 2 tan inverse t by root 2 plus c. That is equal to 1 by root 2 into tan inverse. Now whatever you thought as t, now x minus 1 by x whole by root 2 plus c. That is equal to 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of, taking LCM here, you can write x square minus 1 by root 2 into x. X square minus 1 by root 2 into x plus c. Same question you will face in level 3 objective, like 1 plus, like this x square, instead of x equal to tan square, secant square theta by tan power 4 theta plus x is equal to tan theta. Like after you get the answer 1 by 2 like this, x minus 1 by x becoming tan theta minus cot by root 2 tan theta. Tan theta minus cot theta formula 2 cot 2 theta. So full sum is there in level 3. Same question, but trigonometric functions. In the concept of trigonometric functions. 32 completed. 33rd question. Yes, such types of questions you should divide it with cos square x integral dx by cos square x plus sin x. Integral dx by cos square x plus sin x. For cos sin model, simply cos square or sin or cos or sin like that, the process is divide by cos square x to numerator comma denominator. 1 by cos square x, 1 by cos square x dx, cos square x by cos square x, plus apply the formula sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x by cos square x. So that is equal to 1 by cos square x can be written as secant square x dx by, this is 1 plus cos will get cancelled, becoming as 1 plus 2 x. Put 1 plus 2 tan x equal to d, dip both sides, 2 into secant square x dx equal to dt. So secant square x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Secant square x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. So that can be written as 1 by 2. That implies 1 by 2 into 1 by t. Secant square x by, this is t, secant square x, okay, 1 by 2, 1 by t dt. So 1 by 2 log t. 1 by 2 log mod t plus c. 1 by 2 into logarithm of t, meaning 1 plus 2 tan x. One by 2 into logarithm of 1 plus 2 tan x plus c. Now 36th question. Integral cos x plus sin x. Integral cos x plus sin x by root of 1 plus sin 2x. Integral cos x plus sin x by root of cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x dx. Denominator is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you write as a plus b whole square. This can be written as cos x plus sin x by this is cos x plus sin x whole square over root. Cos x plus sin x whole square over root dx. Don't get cancelled directly, you write mod, two cases arise, plus case and minus case. So this is cos x plus sin x. Maybe he given the condition 2x 2n by minus 5 before, gamma 2n by plus 3 by before. C plus is a concept in objective. C plus is concept, if you remember. So only plus cos x plus sin x general notation. So plus only take, no need to take minus. Directly you write cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x, it is integral 1 dx. Integral 1 dx is x plus c. Answer is given plus or minus is only positive. 36 completed, 37 now. Integral sin 2x by, this is IMP question for object also. Level 1 MCET question. Sin 2x by a plus b cos x whole square. Sin 2x by a plus b cos x whole square. Extract. Sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x by a plus b cos x whole square. Divided by cos square x. This is 2 sin x cos x by cos square x. By if we divide it cos for 4x, cos x plus 2 sin x cos x. By here you can write a plus b cos x by only cos x, because we are calculating the square. This is dx. This can be written as cos get cancel 2 tan x. 2 tan x by a secant x plus b. What is the derivative of secant x? Secant x tan x is not possible. 2 sin x by cos x, so a plus b cos x whole square. If we write a plus b cos x is equal to b, a plus b cos x derivative minus sin x and cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x and into cos x is equal to t minus b. Yes, right. This is not possible. You think a tan x is equal to a tan x is equal to, no, it is not. Put a plus b cos x equal to t. Now diff minus b sin x dx equal to dt. Sin x dx equal to minus 1 by b dt. Two sin x cos x by a plus b cos x whole square dx. So from 1 we can apply minus 2 by b instead of sin x dx. Into instead of cos x we can write t minus a by b into This is 1 by t square t. Yeah, became into t times. The function should become into 2 times. T times. This is minus 2 by b square. T minus a by b square t. That is equal to minus 2 by b square integral t by t square dt minus a by minus a integral 1 by t square dt. This is right. That is equal to minus 2 by b square. 1 by t gives log t minus 1 by t square integration minus 1 by x minus 1 by t. So minus of minus becomes plus a by t plus. That is equal to minus 2 by b square into logarithm of what is meant by t? A plus b cos x plus a by a plus b cos x plus c. Dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. Dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. Divided by cos square x to numerator and denominator. One by cos square becomes secant square x. Secant square x by this can be understood as a square tan square x plus b square. Right, like this. This is secant square x dx by this is a tan x whole square plus b whole square. A tan x whole square plus b whole square dx. Now put simply a tan x is equal to t. If both sides a into secant square x dx equal to dt. So numerator becomes secant square x dx equal to 1 by a dt. That implies 1 by a integral dt by t square plus b square. 1 by a dt by t square plus b square. This can be understood as 1 by a square plus x square concept. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here 1 by a, 1 by b tan inverse t by b. That is equal to 1 by ab into tan inverse of t, meaning a tan x by t. Same question is there in objective level 1 homework and level 1 class of maybe 41% is there in level 1 class. Yeah, level 2 class work is there 41%. And Roman number 3 first question also in level 2 class work. 41 1 by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus a. 1 by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. 1 by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b. Better to write 1 by cos of b minus a or a minus b, anything. Multiply and dividing cos of b minus a. Cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. That is equal to 1 by cos of b minus a integral. This can be understood as 1 by cos of x minus a minus of x minus a. Just to create it. Cos of x minus a into cos of x minus a. Understood? X and x get cancel, minus a plus a. Here a minus b also can calculate, no problem, because cos of minus to equal to cos a. Cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin of sin a by cos a is somewhat different. Cos a, next concept, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos full get cancelled, sin by cos a, sin a sin b. No, so better to take sin. Sin is better to handle the sin. Sin of b minus sin of b minus sin of. Now apply the formula 1 by sin of b minus into integration sin a cos b minus cos a sin. Sin of x minus a into cos of x minus b minus cos of x minus a into sin of x minus b by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b. dx. That is equal to 1 by sin of b minus a into integral of sin of x minus a into cos of x minus b whole by, write denominator separately, whole by cos of x minus a, cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx minus integral cos of x minus a into sin of x minus b whole by cos of x minus a, cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. If cos of x minus b term get cancelled, cos of x minus a term get cancelled. 1 by sin of b minus b. Here I am making you to remember the formula f dash x by f of x dx equal to log mod f of x. Plus cos derivative sin, not sin, minus, no problem. Put minus of minus equal minus log cos minus log modulus cos of x minus equal. Put another shade, minus of minus equal. This one you can understand plus log, because cos derivative minus n. So plus of minus n you can understand, and write this one log modulus of cos of x minus b. plus c. That is equal to 1 by sine of b minus j into, apply the formula log a minus log b as log a by b. So log modulus of cos of x minus b by cos of x minus b plus c. Down 1 by sine of b minus log what happened? Log cos log secant given 1 by reciprocal we take. Shall I write in secant terms? No need to. Maybe you given log of secant x minus a by secant x minus b. Yes. Log of secant, because 1 by cos meaning is secant. Secant x minus a. Secant x minus a into 1 by sine of b minus a. One formula is there, one log student. Here minus you take here. Minus you take here. Log like this. Log m log a concept. Log a power minus. So 1 by cos becomes secant x minus a. Minus. Here minus directly you can write plus log of, don't write like this. 1 by like this. Minus of minus 1. So then 1 by cos becomes secant. So secant, what he given answer? Secant. Say the answer. Log mod secant x minus a by there is no secant. This is b. It's okay. Secant x minus b is wrong. Sine of no problem. Later you can okay. Minus multiplied reciprocal. Simply you can take no problem. Now Roman number 3 sums. Roman number 3 sums. According to schedule 1, 2, this is IMP for object. Of course, in MSET, not for mains. IMP MSET. First question, second question, third, 10, 12, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 10, 12, 17, 18, 19. First question is most likely evaluate integral sine 2x. Integral sine 2x by a cos square x. A cos square x plus b sin square x dx. A cos square x plus b sin square x dx. Put denominator as a cos square x plus b sin square x equal to t. Differentiating both sides, that implies a into cos square x derivative minus sin 2x, b into sin square x derivative sin 2x overall dx is equal to dt. Do you know cos x derivative, cos square x 2 cos x into cos x derivative minus sin x minus 2 sin x cos x written as sin 2x in the similar way 2 sin x cos x written as sin 2x. So now you take common sin 2x. Sin 2x into dx within the brackets you can write b minus a is equal to b2. Therefore, sin 2x dx is equal to sin 2x dx is equal to 1 by b minus a dt. That implies given integration becomes 1 by b minus a integral dt by t. dt by t is nothing but log mod g. 1 by b minus a into log mod t plus c. That is equal to 1 by b minus a into logarithm of the denominator function a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. A cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. Now second question. Second question. This is also most IMP 2 marks question. This is repeated IMP 2 marks in IB only, not for object. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Just the logical thinking is just the conversion of tan x. That is why this is most IMP. You should write tan x as sin x by cos x. So 1 minus sin x by cos x by 1 plus sin x by cos x dx. That is equal to integral cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x. Or cos x plus sin x, of course. You remember the formula f dash x by f of x integration. Integral f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x. So log mod f of x plus c. Observe here sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x. So you can write the function as log mod denominator. Log mod sin x plus cos x plus c. Third one, it is also IMP. Very easy question. Very easy question. Cot of log x whole by x dx. Cot of log x whole by x dx. Put log x is equal to t. Differentiating both sides. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. 1 by x dx equal to dt. That implies given integration becomes cot t dt. Cot t dt. We know that cot t integration is log mod sin t. Log mod sin t plus c, that is equal to logarithm of modulus of sin of log plus c. Now 10th question. Integral secant x. Integral secant x into log of secant x plus tan x. Integral secant x into log of secant x plus tan x dx. Put log of secant x plus tan x. This is the example sum in first year IPE. Put log x, log of secant x plus tan x equal to t. So diff both sides. Log x derivative 1 by x. You can write this one as 1 by secant x plus tan x. And secant x plus tan x internal derivative secant x tan x plus secant square x. Secant x plus tan x internal derivative secant x tan x plus secant square x. Total dx is equal to dt. That implies take common secant x in numerator. Within brackets we can write secant x plus tan x by secant x plus tan x into dx is equal to dt. Secant x plus tan x can got cancelled. So secant x dx equal to dt. So let given integration 1 from 1 we have integral, of course it is t dt. T dt meaning here you can write t square by 2 plus c. That integration of t dt is t square by 2 plus c, that is equal to 1 by 2 into logarithm of secant x plus tan x. 1 by 2 into logarithm of secant x plus tan x total whole square plus c. Twelfth question. Integral cos cube x dx. You can use two methods, but in the textbook method now I want to go to discuss with you. Remember the formula cos 3x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Is it 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x? Now you can write this one as cos 3x plus 3 cos x whole by 4 is equal to cos x. That implies 1 by 4 into this term you can write integral cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. Since there is no proper formula for cos cube x, we can write in the terms of cos apparent cos. Cos x integration sin x. Here you can write sin 3x by 3. Students, whenever the coefficient of x is there, you should write in the denominator of the letter. I mean the coefficient of variable x here. Of course, cos x integration sin x. So this is 3 sin x plus c. Taken LCM. 1 by 12 you can write. 1 by 12 into sin 3x plus 3 are minus sin x plus c. Next 17th question. Integral dx by root of a square minus of b plus cx whole square. Put here b plus cx is equal to t. Diff both sides. C dx is equal to simply c into 1 d. C dx equal to dt. So dx equal to 1 by c dt. 1 by c integral of 1 by root of a square minus t square dt. We have learned the 9th standard degrees formula. 1 by root of a square means x square is sin inverse x by a. So sin inverse t by a here plus c. That is equal to 1 by c into sin inverse of t, meaning here b plus cx whole by a plus already c letter used. That is why apply the constant k. 18th question. Same concept, students. I think you can do 18th question. 18th question, dx by a square plus bx plus c whole square. a square plus b plus x whole. Can you say using this one? I think 1 by c tan inverse of this one. b plus cx d. So 1 by c into, you can write here 1 by a square plus b square. 1 by a square plus x square formula 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a tan inverse t by a plus c, that is equal to 1 by ac into tan inverse of b plus cx by a plus some constant k. 19th question IMP. Somewhat different question. Of course it is easy. dx by 1 plus e power x. You do one thing, multiply and divide with e power minus x. So e power minus x into like this I am writing. E power minus x into e power minus x plus e power minus x. That is equal to e power minus x dx whole by e power minus x plus this becomes e power 0. So 1 you can write. Next step I am writing as minus of minus e power minus x. Minus of minus e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus x. Simple and clear. Use the formula f dash x by f of x dx. F dash x by f of x concept, log mod f of x plus c. 1 plus e power x, e power minus x derivative minus e power minus x simply have created. So that one we can write here minus log modulus of e power minus x plus c. Okay students, 20th question, 21st question, you try yourself, maybe you get doubt. If you are having any doubt you can ask me. This one much expansion is there and answer I know very well. You can stop here, otherwise minus log 1 plus like this full expansion is there. Minus log like this. Until here you can stop for 2 marks like this 1 by 1 plus e power x. That is equal to minus log of e power x plus 1 by e power x. That is equal to minus log of e power x plus 1 minus of minus. So you can write this is log of e power x. That is equal to log of e power x by e power x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer I know. You can stop here in objective. Here only. Maybe third option level 1 homework is there. Okay students, I am thinking that level there is no level. Exercise 6b successfully completed. Whatever the sums I left, you do the homework. Let us going to discuss the integration by parts concept in next class, that is in tomorrow class.